The Cleaning Kit 34 serves for cleaning the Kar98k. It is for post and field use and is intended to be issued with each Kar98k. The parts of the Cleaning Kit 34 are stored in the container. It is made from unpainted sheet metal and is appropriately divided for holding the parts of the cleaning kit. The container holds a cleaning chain, cleaning brush, oil dropper with cleaning oil, receiver head wiper, and cleaning wicks. The cleaning chain consists of S-shaped steel wire links with shoved over aluminum bushings. On the rear end is an eye with a loop. The cleaning chain serves for pulling the brushes and wicks through the barrel. The brushes are used by attaching their hooks to the eye. The cleaning brush is a bristle brush with brass wire bristles in the middle. It has a hook for hanging in the eye of the cleaning chain. When pulled through, the cleaning brush loosens the residue in the barrel and mixes it with the weapon cleaning oil applied to the brush. The oil brush is a bristle brush. It also has a hook for attaching the eye of the cleaning chain. As a rule, the oil brush serves only for oiling the barrel, which was previously cleaned and wiped dry with a cleaning wick. Weapon cleaning oil is dripped on the bristles with the oil dropper, and with this, spread evenly in the barrel. The cleaning wicks are pulled through the eye of the cleaning chain so that the parts of the wicks are the same length on both sides of the eye. Ensure that all strands of the cleaning wick are pulled through the eye. Only one wick is to be pulled into the eye of the cleaning chain for cleaning 8mm barrels. If more than one wick is used for pulling through the barrel, the wick in the eye will remain stuck while pulling through. In such cases, the cleaning chain may only be removed by a competent armorer with a device intended for this purpose. As a rule, the cleaning chain is guided through the barrel from the chamber, and with a brush or cleaning wick attached to the eye, is only pulled through the barrel in the direction from the chamber toward the muzzle. For using the cleaning chain, first remove the bolt. For guiding in the cleaning chain, the weapon is held in the left hand, muzzle down. The right hand guides the start of several nested links from the chamber into the barrel and lets the cleaning chain glide through the barrel. Now the weapon, with cleaning chain hanging out of the muzzle, is turned over. When pulling the cleaning chain through the Kar98k, it is effective to place the buttstock on the ground. The left hand securely holds the weapon in the front third. With the start of the chain wrapped around the right hand, the cleaning chain with the attached brush or wick is pulled slowly through the barrel in the axis of the bore with repeated re-gripping. Rubbing the cleaning chain on the muzzle is to be avoided to prevent the aluminum shells of the cleaning chain from causing muzzle erosion and premature wear. Additionally, a muzzle protector may be used to protect the muzzle. The muzzle protector is covered in a separate training film. The resistance on the cleaning chain when pulled with an attached cleaning wick through an 8mm barrel fluctuates between 26 and 35 pounds. The oil dropper is made of steel, or later models were made of plastic. On the front end is a dropper valve. On the rear end is an air valve. The oil dropper serves for taking along weapon oil and for providing oil for the bristles as well as for rubbing down the weapon. The trickling out of the weapon's cleaning oil from the oil dropper is regulated single-handed by pulling back the band on the dropper valve with the index and middle fingers, while at the same time pushing the thumb on the air vent. For filling the oil dropper, the cap with air valve is unscrewed. For oiling friction spots or lightly oiling the steel parts, use a few drops of weapon cleaning oil that have been put on the friction spots with the oil dropper, or for lightly oiling the steel parts, have been put on a cleaning wick. The receiver head wiper is made of steel. A steel pin is riveted at an angle on the grip. The front part of the receiver head wiper is for wiping the receiver head and the receiver of the Kar98k. For this, a cleaning wick is pulled through the eye of the receiver head wiper and tied together over the checkered web. The equal length ends of the cleaning wick are wrapped around the receiver head wiper or its grip. The receiver head is cleaned by guiding the receiver head wiper into the receiver head with the knotted over cleaning wick and repeatedly turning it back and forth. A dirty cleaning wick is replaced until it is clean after wiping. Oiling the receiver head occurs in the same manner with a cleaning wick, lightly soaked with weapon cleaning oil, knotted over the receiver head wiper. The receiver head wiper is also used for taking out and installing the box magazine base of the Kar98k. Instead of using a cartridge, the pin on the grip can be used. For this, the receiver head wiper is held in the right hand and placed on the underside of the grip. It is inserted into the hold pin hole in the box magazine base. The cleaning wick is made from fine cotton and cotton litter. It is spun with strands turned together. It serves to remove the residue loosened and mixed with the cleaning oil by the cleaning brush, de-oiling the chamber and inside the barrel. Cleaning and oiling the receiver head together with the receiver head wiper, and for soaking and whiff-like oiling of all steel parts of the weapon. For this, slightly dirty cleaning wicks can be used. The container and the parts of the cleaning kit are always to be kept clean. Any contact of the cleaning chain, brushes, and cleaning wicks with the ground, sand, and the like is to be avoided. After each use, the cleaning chain and brushes are rubbed off with a cleaning cloth or rag. Very dirty cleaning chains can be cleaned by boiling in water without additives. All components of the cleaning kit can be stored in the container. Oil brush, cleaning brush, receiver head wiper, which is placed in the projection from the large section, oil dropper with cleaning oil, and cleaning chain. The cleaning wicks are placed in a small compartment on the opposite side of the rest of the components. Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting or helpful, go ahead and give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. Then let us know what you thought or would like to see with a comment. If you would like to support the channel more than you already are by watching and sharing the video, you can become a member on Patreon or YouTube, or a subscriber on Player. Links to these are in the description below. For more information on this firearm and others, head on over to historyandfirearms.com.